Good morning students. Today we study chapter 4 whole and parts, that is fraction. Okay. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole or parts of a whole. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of whole or parts of a whole. For example, here I write here this circle I divided into 4 parts. Okay, I divided into 4 parts. Then I shaded in one part. I shaded in one part. What is the fraction of shaded part? What is the fraction of shaded part? But the total parts is 4. How many? The total part is 4. Then the shaded part is 1. Okay. How to read? 1 upon 4 or 1 by 4. The line upper side is called numerator. Then the downside, this number 4 is called denominator. Okay, this 1 is called the line upper side. The above the line is called numerator. Below the line, this is called denominator. What is the fraction of unshaded part? What is the fraction of unshaded part? The total part is 4. Then unshaded 1, 2, 3. Understand what is the numerator here? 3. The denominator is 4. Understand? Then the types of fraction. What are the types of fraction? Types of fraction. First, proper fraction. What is proper fraction? When the denominator is greater than, here denominator is greater than numerator, the denominator is greater than numerator, that fraction is called proper fraction. Again, denominator is greater than numerator, that fraction is called proper fraction. Always proper fraction is less than 1. Always proper fraction is less than 1. Then second, improper fraction. Second, improper fraction. Here numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator, or numerator and denominator is equal. Numerator and denominator is equal. That fraction is called improper fraction. Understand? Then mixed fraction. Next, mixed fraction. A fraction combined with whole number and proper fraction. A fraction combined with whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Here 3 1 by 2. Here 3 is the whole number, 1 by 2 is the proper fraction. Understand what is a mixed fraction? A fraction combined with whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Then like fraction. Like fraction. Like fraction, when the denominators are same, when the denominators are same, when the denominators are same, that fractions are called like fraction. Here the denominator, here 8, here also 8, here also here. These denominators are same. Denominators are same. That fraction is called like fraction. Then fifth, unlike fraction. Unlike fraction. Here the denominators are different. Here the denominators are different. That fraction is called unlike fraction. Denominators are different. That fraction is called unlike fraction. Next, unit fraction. Look here, all numerators are 1. Here, numerators are 1. That fraction is called unit fraction. What are the types of fraction first? Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction and unit fraction. Then we convert mixed into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Question read, convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Here 7 3 upon 4. This is a mixed fraction, whole number and a proper fraction. This fraction we convert into improper fraction. That is a formula here. Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. What is the formula? Whole number, W means whole number, W-H-O-L-E. H-O-L-E no? W-H-O-L-E. Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Again, whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. What is our whole number? 7 multiply 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now you multiply 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 3 31, then upon 4. Understand? One more question. 5 1 by 3. What is the formula? Say convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. First, whole number multiply denominator plus numerator upon denominator. Our whole number is 5. 5 multiply 3 plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 16 upon 3. Understand you? All students understand? This is, you directly solve this. Whole number multiply denominator plus numerator. Then next, convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Here, convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Listen. 73 upon 8. Here numerator is big, denominator small. Which fraction is this? Which fraction is this? Improper. First you divide this number. First you divide 73, 8. Okay. How many times gone? 9 times. Then 72. Then 1. Okay. This again one formula, quotient. Quotient, then remainder, then divisor or denominator also you write in the divisor. Quotient, remainder, divisor. Our quotient is, quotient 9. Our remainder 1. Our divisor 8. What is our 9? 1 by 8. 9 1 upon 8. Understand? Then you write here this come. This come here, then this 8, this round. Okay, then I give some questions to you. This is not in your book. You do these questions. Okay, this is not in your book. First, question first. Convert mixed into mixed fraction into improper fraction. Yes, first. Then second question. Question number 2. Convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. You do these questions. Okay. Thank you.